Welcome to the BigVue Whiteboard, the ultimate tool for collaborative projects, meetings, and classrooms. Now what we're going to do is, in this video, we're going to talk about your BigVue Whiteboard. The first tool in the BigVue Whiteboard is your pen. With the pen, you can always adjust the thickness, the thinness, and the colors amongst your multiple pen options. The second tool of the BigVue Whiteboard is the eraser. The eraser has three very cool features. The first feature in the eraser is that you can manually erase. The second tool, we can also do undo and redo. The second feature of the eraser is that you can select the entire bit and erase it at one go. The third feature in the eraser is that you can clear your entire board at one go, and voila, it's brand new. The third feature of the BigVue Whiteboard is the select feature. You can simply select anything, move it, maximize it or minimize it, and there you go. Also, we have the hierarchy option. You can bring it forward, move down, put on top, or move to bottom. You can also change the color. Select it, choose the color, and you have multiple options to choose from. You can also search onto Google and you can have multiple options to choose from. You simply search it on Google and you have multiple options to choose from. Articles, images, videos, news, shopping, and so much more. Another very fun feature in the BigVue Whiteboard is you can simply drag an image and paste it onto your whiteboard. How interesting! It just makes your life supremely interesting. Your classrooms, your meetings, everything becomes so interactive. Now the next feature of your BigVue Whiteboard is shapes. The shapes come very handy when you have subjects like physics, chemistry, and maths. You can simply choose any shape, and it also shows dimensions of the shape. And it's easier for you to teach your students in a classroom. The next tool on your BigVue Whiteboard is the Toolbox. And the Toolbox has multiple options to choose from. You have the image, table, ruler, sources, mind maps, documents, videos, browser, and so much more. You also have a timer when you have quizzes in your classroom. Now the next very cool feature in the Toolbox is the mind map. In the mind map, you can simply write anything over here. You can also select it. You can increase it, decrease it. And you know what? It's so fun. Whatever you write, it adjusts the size accordingly. And it just makes your life and your classes so easy and so fun. Also, when you have chemistry classes and you want to just simply pull up the periodic table, you can just explain the entire elements in the periodic table all at one go. And your children, your students can just glance it at once and understand everything. You can also simply select it, of course resize it and adjust it. You can also add some very cool sticky notes. You also have a very cool sticky note feature. You want to explain any of those periodic tables, you can simply write your small note and put it anywhere on the table, and it becomes easier for your students to understand. Also have the split screen option. You can split it into 3 or 4, and it just allows you to explain 2 things at once. You can also choose Google Chrome. You can explain and write simultaneously. Now when you're done with your classrooms or your presentations and you want to simply save your current whiteboard, you have a menu option. You can simply click on the menu option. You have multiple options to choose from. You have the new, open, save, upload, scan, or even email your entire whiteboard all at once. You can just simply save, and you have options to choose from. You can rename or choose the format or choose the location. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video where we'll discuss the AI shortcuts in your BigVue interactive flat panel. Thank you.